Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am gonna show you how to fix line tool issue in latest Photoshop CC 2021. First of all, let's draw line using line tool. Line 1 layer is created now. We cannot see line even if we changed stroke size. The reason for this visibility issue is, by default stroke align type for stroke is inside the border. To change this stroke property, click on the properties icon and choose set align type to stroke is center. That is the second option of this drop down. If we change this option to outside, that means third option of this drop down, we can see the stroke size is multiplied. That means 2 pixels is applied on top and bottom of this line. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.